Hey guys, it's Zach, product developer of the Sink and Spin in-sink dishwashing system. I'm gonna show you guys today how we are gonna save 10 times the water and save our planet.
With ocean levels rising and erosion creeping into our cities, the amount of energy used for water is as high as 34% of the total. The pollutants created, making the amount of energy needed to pump water, greatly contribute to the ocean levels rising and the rising temperatures. Fortunately, there are things we can act on today to help prevent and even reverse negative impacts we've had on our own environment. Sink and Spin is the world's first and only solution to prevent the pileup. As a college football student, I lived with 5 other football players. Between classes, we all needed to find a way to eat up to 5 times a day. So, as you could imagine, it didn't take long for the kitchen and sink to be full of crusty, smelly, dirty dishes. Sponges weren't working and took too long. They were hard to find under a tower of dirty dishes and always covered in grease. Besides, they can carry diseases you can't see that spread to other people, and we couldn't afford to get sick. If dishes ever did make it to the dishwasher, you could never tell if they were clean or dirty. They were always sort of like half clean, and you would have to rewash them by hand before you could eat. Dishwashers can't handle all the excess food and make it easy for bacteria or mold to start spreading. Even in the back, you can see this dishwasher has a drain just like yours that gets dirty and clogged if you don't clean your dishes beforehand. We wasted way too much time trying to make a plate, and there wasn't even enough space on the kitchen counter to make a bowl of cereal. So we knew there had to be a better way. We found that with Sink and Spin attached to our sink, it was the only way that we could keep our kitchen clean and organized. To start cleaning with Sink and Spin, you'll have to start with a clean sink. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna disinfect the sink. First, we're gonna have to remove any sharp edges that could be left, any knives or cutting utensils. So we're gonna clean them later with Sink and Spin's no touch cleaning of sharp edges. So there's Sink and Spin. You can see it has a handle, a soap reservoir, and a dispenser with a slow drip into the cutlery cleaning slot. So when we're disinfecting the sink with these antibacterial bristles, we're going to rotate it as we clean to get a full 360 degrees anywhere inside or outside the sink. Whether or not your sink looks dirty, it's probably a good idea to do this before using Sink and Spin, just because it'll disinfect all the bacteria, with the sink being one of the places in the home it's found the most. Who doesn't love a clean, empty sink, by the way? There you see it with Sink and Spin. You can suction either on the sidewall or over the drain with the handle installed. You have up to 20 pounds of suction with these incredibly strong suction cups. You can see me here giving it a test. Okay, settle down. To use, all you're going to have to do is add a little soap to the top on the reservoir and then give her a spin or a swipe, whether it's a plate or a bowl. And then for silverware and sharp edges, in the no-touch center cleaning slot. Now today I'm going to show you guys how to save up to 10 times water versus traditional dishwashing, which is what we're here to do today. To do your part, all you're going to have to do is plug the drain, turn on the water, add Sink and Spin, and then some soap. This ensures you're doing your part to save our planet and up to 10 times water. Using Sink and Spin with the drain plugged uses only about 3 gallons of water versus up to 30 without Sink and Spin with traditional hand washing. With antimicrobial bristle technology, you'll be able to handle any mess, whether the sink's full or empty. Here you can see a moldy dish that my cat had eaten out of a week or so ago. And then you can see the touch-free action on the cleaning of knives. New and improved on this model are the triple scraping edges for forks, spoons, and knives. Any stuck-on tough messes are sure to scrape off. Cleaning Sink and Spin has never been easier. As you can see, food and debris just simply rinse right off. The only way to really get Sink and Spin up safely is by pulling the suction cup pull tabs. There's 4 on each Sink and Spin, and you just need to use your nail to lift them. By releasing the tabs, you can use the handle and clean any leftover messes or bigger items. Cleaning with the handle is a lot like a normal brush, except it only takes about half the time and your hands stay free of any soap, grease, debris, or bacteria. No matter what the mess, you can leave Sink and Spin in the sink so it's always ready to go and cleaning is easy for the next person. Alright, well I don't know who needs to hear this, but the dishes aren't done until the stove is clean. Tag someone you know that needs to hear that. Cleaning with Sink and Spin on multi-surfaces is easy and fast. With Sink and Spin's patented technology and design, you can be sure it'll stay clean whether you've got big messes or small. And it's dishwasher safe. Just throw it in with your normal dishwashing cycle and it'll come out clean as new. Even better than that, the dishes are clean and spotless. No more double cleaning for this guy. Look at that, beautiful. Alright guys and ladies and gents, let's all do our part and make this place a little better than we found it.